Yay, the tripod finally came in a bigger box, and I kind of had my first impression about how it looked and everything. Alright, I'm going to unbox it again with you guys because I wanted to film it for you guys like I promised. So see, this is how it looks like. It comes in a very cute bag with the name Joe bag, I think. Yeah, and then I like that it comes ready to use. I don't know if that makes sense. So see, this is how it looks. It can obviously go higher, but I don't need it to go high right now. And it has this thing that I need to figure out how to get it off. Yeah, I have another surprise that I want to show you guys. So I don't know if you heard in the other video I filmed, my sister's husband mentioned he had a camera, and now I'll be using this. It's a camera he's had like for 5 years now. God, I see her come and snatch it for me, but before she actually does come and snatch it, yeah. So yeah, I just turned the camera on and it has this flip thing. Guys, I am really excited. So now I'm trying to film with Asia now. Hi baby. So see, now it's recording. Hi. So now I'm able to see myself and oh god, I was covering it. I'm able to see myself and vlog, and then I could also set it up this way and film. So it's a Sony vlogging camera, and I'm really excited to create content with it. Yay! I said, why are you standing in front of my tripod? Mine! That's what she does when she spills. Anyways, yeah. Oh, it was recording. Let me turn that off. And then try to fix it on the tripod. So let's see if it works out. I said wait, mommy. I said wait. Yes. So I was able to fix the tripod. No, I mean the camera on the tripod. And right now it's off. Yeah, no, I've not been able to fully charge it, and this is how it looks on it. Right now I'm filming from my phone, obviously, because I'm trying to show you how the tripod will look like.
Mine.
Yeah, baby. So if I was filming like this, I would obviously have the fronts like this and then be able to film. Anyways, so and then yeah, the other item I wanted to show you guys is the camera. Right now I'm sharing with Ire. She likes to play with the camera, so it's me and his. And this is my favorite part of it. Like having this, like right now I'm filming with my phone, and it's really hard to tell if bye. Asia, can I have the camera, please? Mine! Salam alaykum. Hi everyone. Eid Mubarak. Ooh, I just woke up and we have to prepare. It's about, I think it's almost 8 and Eid is starting at 9. I'm the last person to freshen up. My husband is making breakfast. He's at the back. Let's see if you guys can see him. Making special Eid breakfast. Yeah. I think, we are praying, and Daddy, where are we praying? Daddy, what you were saying?
Yeah, the venue for the Eid prayers is like 15-minute drive away.
Okay. I'll go freshen up now. Because we finished very late, and we are heading to the park right now, and it's raining. Eid Mubarak, guys. Once again, everyone is just in front. Drama. Paparada. Hey baby, Eid Mubarak. Allahu Akbar Kabira. Alhamdulillahi Kaseera. Wa subhanallahi bukratan wa asila. La ilaha illallah. Yeah, that's another thing. The party. Sympathy, any lights? Like a man on carry came in my one packet. Where's us here?
Yeah, give him the phone.
Hey, baby. He didn't know. We just finished praying and we are heading home. It's raining, guys, but I hope my pictures turned out great. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. This is like the first Eid with all three of us in the same place outside. Mwah. Oh yeah, for me, Peg Swad. Swala kiss me.
Wait, that angle didn't look nice on me.
Yeah. Mwah. I see our kiss and we are the Taminu, Miss Tanimu, Miss Tanimu, and Miss Okuneye Jr.
No,
and me,
Jamil.
Miss Okuneye
It's
Jr.
Mrs. Jamil, not
Mrs. Jamil. I see Mrs. Kamaldin. I see Mrs. Rauda. Rauda A. Rauda A. Call me. Rauda Ahmed. Rauda AM. Home from praying and it's so cold. I'm going upstairs and I'll update the vlog. Yay.
Like the 12 cans or 24? It's been how many days since it was? What's the title?
Eid vlog? Yeah, Eden and Habo. Yeah. So yeah, we went home after prayers. It was rainy and cold. I got some cute pictures from my family and that's really good. And I went to sleep. Like I took a long nap after catching up with family back home and getting pictures, checking updates of the Eid Meets Gala. Everyone looking very gorgeous, mashallah. So we're on our way to Sans Club. Koga, okay, unlock Koga. We are going to Koga to get some I think drinks. We are going to a barbecue. My sister's friend invited us for like an outdoor barbecue and we are getting some things to take along. Mariam Swad and everybody else is in another car and they'll meet us at the park for the barbecue. So see you guys at the store to get the stuff. Kroger. My uncle exams here. See it. If I check aisle here. We are Kroger right now. We found the water aisle, so we'll just pick a bottle. How many bottles? 2. Oh, Sprite here. Also, you can actually use one to do it twice. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, we are the get together. They set up there and it's really cold, so we are planning on coming down to this side so we can start the party. True.
See a quick hands in pocket. Mama say put hands in pocket.
Hello, can I get your number?
No, say no.
Why?
Mama say hands in pocket.
Can I
Hands
get your
in
number?
pocket. Say no. Hands in pocket.
Yes. Yeah, go.
Yes, let's go. Please come take a picture of me. It's just 10 red. Mom? Yeah. Okay.
She's like, oh, I'm here for school.
Yeah. I'll be... Yeah, baby.
Picture.